You're full of it. There's no way that actually happened.
I'm serious. I wouldn't make something like that up.
Come on, you expect me to believe that you ran into a celebrity at the grocery store?
Yes, I was as shocked as you are right now. I almost dropped my groceries when I saw them.
Okay, if this really happened, what did you say to them?
I just said, "Hi, I'm a huge fan," and they smiled and said thanks before walking away.
That's it? No autograph or anything?
I was too stunned to ask for one, honestly. I didn't want to bother them.
Well, I guess that's understandable, but I'm still not entirely convinced.
I swear, it happened exactly like I said. Why would I lie about something like this?
Maybe you're just trying to impress me with a wild story.
No way. I'm telling you the truth. I even have a picture, but it's a little blurry.
A blurry picture? That doesn't exactly help your case.
I know, but it's better than nothing, right? I can show it to you if you want.
All right, show me the picture, and maybe I'll start to believe you.
Give me a second, let me find it on my phone.
I'm still skeptical, but I'm curious to see what you've got.
Here it is. See? I told you I wasn't making it up.
Okay, I admit it. That does look like them. Maybe you weren't full of it after all.
Told you. Next time, believe me when I tell you something this crazy.
I'm not much of a talker, but I really think we need to discuss this.
I understand, but it's important to share how you're feeling. What's been on your mind?
Lately, I've been feeling a bit distant, and I'm not sure how to fix it.
It's normal to feel that way sometimes, especially with everything going on.
I know, but I feel like I'm not contributing much to our conversations, and it worries me.
You don't have to worry about that. I appreciate just having you here, even if you're quiet.
I guess I just don't want you to think I'm not interested or that I don't care.
Trust me, I know you care. We all communicate in different ways, and that's okay.
I'm glad you understand. I've always been more of a listener than a talker.
And that's one of the things I appreciate about you. You listen so well, and it means a lot.
Thanks, I just don't want you to feel like I'm shutting you out.
I don't feel that way at all. I know you're always here for me, and that's what matters.
I'll try to open up more though, it's just not easy for me sometimes.
Take your time. We can always talk whenever you're ready.
That means a lot to me. I'll work on being more open, but I appreciate your patience.
No rush. We're in this together, and I'm here for you, no matter what.
I'm really lucky to have you in my life.
I feel the same way about you. We've got each other's backs.
Absolutely. Let's just keep supporting each other, like we always have.
Agreed. We're stronger together, and we'll get through anything.
My shoes are worn out. I really need to buy a new pair.
Yeah, I noticed they've been looking a bit shabby lately. Why don't we go shopping this weekend?
That sounds like a good idea. I've been putting it off for too long.
You have. It's important to have comfortable shoes, especially since you walk a lot.
I know, and I can really feel it now. My feet hurt more than usual after a long day.
That's not good. Have you thought about what kind of shoes you want to get?
I'm thinking of getting something more durable, maybe a pair of high-quality sneakers or some sturdy boots.
That makes sense. It's better to invest in something that will last.
Exactly. Plus, I want something versatile that I can wear for different occasions.
We should check out that new store downtown. I heard they have a great selection.
Sounds perfect. I could use some advice on finding the right fit too.
Of course, I'll help you pick out the best pair. We can also look for some new socks while we're at it.
Good idea. Some of my socks are getting pretty old too.
It's funny how we don't notice these things until they're really worn out.
True. I guess I just get used to wearing the same things over and over.
That's why it's nice to refresh your wardrobe every now and then. It makes a big difference.
Definitely. I'll feel a lot better with new shoes that actually support my feet.
You will, and it's always fun to treat yourself to something new.
Agreed. I'm looking forward to our shopping trip this weekend.
Me too. It'll be nice to spend a day together and find exactly what you need.
Thanks. You always make these things more enjoyable.
Anytime, Mark. Let's make it a fun day out.
I heard your new idea for the project is a bit off the wall.
Yeah, it's definitely unconventional, but I think it could work.
How so? It sounds like it's quite different from what we usually do.
It is. I was thinking of using augmented reality to enhance the user experience.
That sounds pretty radical. What led you to that idea?
I saw a similar concept in a tech article, and it got me thinking about its potential applications.
Interesting. Have you considered how it might affect our current workflow?
I have. It might require some adjustments, but I believe the benefits outweigh the challenges.
I agree that it could be beneficial, but it might be a tough sell to the team.
I'm prepared for that. I plan to present a detailed proposal and demonstrate how it could improve our results.
That's a good approach. It might help to show some examples or case studies.
Absolutely. I've already compiled some case studies and success stories to support my proposal.
Sounds like you've thought this through thoroughly. When do you plan to present it?
I was thinking of presenting it at the next team meeting.
That sounds like a good plan. I'll be interested to see how the team reacts.
Me too. I'm hopeful they'll see the potential and be open to trying something new.
I think it's worth exploring. Sometimes the most unconventional ideas lead to the best innovations.
Exactly. Thanks for being supportive and open-minded about it.
No problem. Let me know if there's anything I can do to help with the presentation.
Will do. I appreciate your support.
Anytime. Let's hope the team is as excited about it as we are.
Fingers crossed.
Please subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you.